What if I told you that 85% vehicles never reaches 150,000 miles, while a few push past 500,000 without a rebuild? Most cars don't die from age. They die from small mistakes repeated thousands of times. And most drivers never realize what actually killed their engine. Today, I'm breaking down the habits that quietly decide your car's fate long before it ever breaks down. Habit number 10. The 5K oil rule. Most engines don't fail because of age. They fail because oil stops protecting metal long before drivers think it does. The 10,000-mile oil change interval sounds modern and convenient, but it's built around ideal conditions that almost no real driver lives in. Short trips, traffic, heat, dust, and cold starts all break oil down fast. Once oil shears and loads up with contaminants, metal parts grind instead of glide. Bearings wear, timing chains stretch. Sludge forms silently. Cars that survive past 300,000 miles follow a simple rule. Fresh synthetic oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Always with a new filter. It's the single strongest defense against internal engine death. Habit number 9. Transmission fluid is not lifetime. Lifetime transmission fluid is one of the most expensive myths in modern automotive history. Heat destroys transmission fluid, period. Every 20-degree rise above normal operating temperature cuts fluid life in half. As fluid breaks down, it loses lubrication, clutches slip, seals harden, and internal wear accelerates fast. By the time a transmission jerks or hesitates, the damage is already done. High-mileage survivors replace automatic transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, regardless of what the manual claims. Not flushes. Simple drain and fills. Clean fluid keeps shifts smooth, temperatures stable, and prevents the kind of failure that ends cars long before the engine ever wears out. Habit number 8. Never overfill the fuel tank. Stopping when the pump clicks isn't optional. It's protection. Topping off after shutoff forces liquid fuel into the EVAP system, a system designed only to handle vapor. Once the charcoal canister gets soaked, it starts breaking down internally. That sends debris through valves and lines, triggering rough idle hard starts, fuel smells, and check engine lights. Repairs routinely cost hundreds, sometimes over $1,000, and they're almost never covered. High-mileage cars survive because their owners respect the click. First shutoff means stop. No extra squeezes, no rounding up. This single habit protects the fuel system, emissions hardware, and prevents failures that quietly shorten a car's usable life. Habit number 7. Catch engine mount failure. Early. Engine mounts don't just control vibration, they control alignment. When mounts wear, the engine twists under load, stressing axles, hoses, exhaust flex pipes, and even the transmission. This is why ignored mounts often lead to cascading failures that seem unrelated. High-mileage cars check mounts early, not after something snaps. The test is simple. Foot on brake, shift from park to drive, then reverse. Excessive movement, harsh clunks, or cabin shake means the mounts are failing. Replacing a worn mount early is cheap. Ignoring it turns a minor repair into a drivetrain killer that shortens a car's lifespan dramatically. Habit number 6. The cold start warm-up. Myth. Letting a modern engine idle for minutes to warm up feels safe, but it's quietly destructive. Cold idling dumps excess fuel into the cylinders, washing oil off the walls, and diluting lubrication when protection matters most. That accelerates wear during the most vulnerable phase of engine operation. High-mileage engines follow a smarter rule. Start the car, wait about 20 to 30 seconds for oil pressure to stabilize, Then drive gently. Light driving warms the engine faster and more evenly than idling. Less fuel dilution, less friction, less wear. Cars that live long don't sit warming up. They move carefully and consistently. Habit number 5, brake early, not hard. Brakes don't wear out from use. They wear out from heat. Late braking spikes rotor temperatures fast, causing glazing, warping, and micro cracks that shorten the life of pads and rotors dramatically. High-mileage cars are driven by people who coast early instead of braking late. Lifting off the throttle sooner lets engine braking slow the car naturally, keeping brake temperatures stable and components flat. This single habit often doubles brake life and reduces suspension stress at the same time. Cars that reach extreme mileage aren't driven aggressively to every stop. They're driven smoothly, predictably, and with mechanical sympathy. Habit number 4, replace fuel filters before they choke the engine. A clogged fuel filter doesn't fail loudly. It slowly starves the engine. As debris builds up, fuel pressure drops under load, causing hesitation, weak acceleration, and extra strain on the fuel pump. That strain overheats the pump, which is one of the fastest ways to end a high-mileage car. Owners who reach 400,000 miles don't wait for symptoms. They replace fuel filters every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, earlier in dusty regions or older vehicles. A cheap filter protects injectors, stabilizes fuel delivery, and prevents a pump failure that can instantly turn a reliable car into a dead one. Habit number 3, flush brake fluid before it fails you. Brake fluid doesn't wear out. It absorbs moisture, and once that happens, everything changes. Moisture lowers the boiling point, corrodes internal brake components, and quietly damages ABS modules from the inside. Under hard braking or long downhill drives, contaminated fluid can boil, causing sudden loss of braking power with no warning. High-mileage cars avoid this entirely by flushing brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Regardless of mileage, fresh fluid keeps pedal feel firm, protects expensive ABS hardware, and prevents failures that often total older cars. Engines may last forever, but bad brakes end cars instantly. Habit number 2, never cheap out on spark plugs. Spark plugs don't just ignite fuel. They control how clean, complete, and efficient combustion is. Cheap or worn plugs fire inconsistently, causing partial burns that waste fuel, create carbon buildup, and overload ignition coils and catalytic converters. That's how a small shortcut turns into a 4-figure repair. High-mileage engines stick to OEM grade or iridium plugs and replace them on schedule, not when misfires start. Fresh plugs restore smooth, idle, crisp throttle response and stable combustion temperatures. Cars that last don't tolerate weak sparks. They keep ignition sharp so every combustion cycle works for the engine, not against it. Habit number 1, never let the tank drop below 1/4. Fuel pumps rely on gasoline for cooling. When the tank runs low, the pump runs hotter, works harder, and pulls sediment from the bottom of the tank straight into the system. Heat accelerates wear. Debris clogs injectors. Together, they kill pumps early. Teardown studies show pumps exposed to frequent low fuel conditions fail significantly sooner than those kept submerged. High-mileage cars avoid this entirely by following one rule: never go below 1/4 tank. It stabilizes fuel pressure, keeps the pump cool, and prevents starvation on hills or turns. It costs nothing, yet protects a component that often ends cars without warning. Cars don't die suddenly. They're worn down quietly by bad habits. The rules you just learned decide whether your car survives or fails early. If this saved you from one expensive mistake, hit like so more drivers see it in time. Subscribe to the channel for real reasons cars fail and how to stop it. Drop your current mileage in the comments. Let's see which cars are still standing.